Hello YouTubers, welcome to Techno World. Today I'm gonna review AICP ROM for the OnePlus One. So without wasting much time, let's get into it.
I've been on my grind.
Very much excited to review this ROM. So this is an AICP ROM which runs on Android 6.0.1, that is Marshmallow. So let's move into the main part of the video, that is abundant features. So all the features of this ROM are packed up into the AICP's extra. Everything has a unique tagline, as this ROM also has a tagline, that is one ROM to rule them all. So the first one in the list is display and animation. Animation tweaks. Here there are various animation tweaks like toast animation, power menu animation. What does this power menu animation does is, when I press the power button, or if I have selected here slide, when I press the power button, it will appear in the slide form. If I select here 3D, it will appear in 3D form. So you can select whatever you like. Top, it will come from the top. So here IME animation, list view animation, different animation. Now here what is LCD density? LCD density is actually here default is 480 dpi. So if I select 440, then the icons and everything will grow shorter, means the screen size or the resolution of the screen will increase. If I select the 520 or 560, the icons and everything will grow larger, means the icons and everything on the screen will take larger space to settle down. Let me show you the DPI of 400. Let me show you. It's 400. So my screen size actually increases here. I can put much number of things on my home screen. Even it looks quite decent while reading. So now let me show you guys with a 560 dpi. The DPI of 560 over here. So you can see now it's 560 dpi. My screen size actually what should I say, it decreases here. I can't put much number of things on my home screen, and it even looks quite ugly and looks quite bold. So I hope actually you got what this LCD density is. Status bar, super user indicator. It will be shown up in your status bar if any application uses your root access, and hashtag will be shown. 4G instead of LTE, headset icon. Whenever you plug the headset into your device, the icon will be shown up on the status bar. Zen icon. What it is, battery bar. It will be shown up on the status bar that how much battery of your device is remaining. You can change the color as the way you like. You can change the thickness of it. You can change the alignment. Either you want to put it in the reverse format or in the centered. Actually I don't use this much. Then it is next is the carrier label. You can set the carrier label or the custom one you like. The status bar, you can change the size, you can change the font. Status bar, weather, temperature, traffic indicators. This one is the best. It shows that how much data your phone is actually consuming, what speed you are getting. I personally use this feature. You can set it 5% and auto height features, inactivity threshold. Now AICP logo. You can add the AICP logo on the status bar, either on the left or right. You can change the position, you can change the color of it, whichever you like. Missed call. What actually this shit is? It is a missed call notification that keeps popping up until you open it. Let me show you. When I turn this feature on, and whenever I get a missed call, let me show you. Whenever I get a missed call, it will pop up. You can see, as you can see in the status bar, it is keep popping up. So even you can set it for the voicemails. whenever you receive any voicemail. The third one in the list is your notification draw. Number of quick slide rows, you can set 3 or 4. Tiles, you can set set the tiles animation, you can set in the linear bounce overshoot. There are various bundled features. Now what it is, a brightness slider. Now when I turn this feature on, you just have to slide your status bar from the left to right and vice versa for increasing or decreasing the brightness. You can't see in the video, but it actually happens. Task manager is available in the expanded mode. You can change the header font style. Quick settings panel, AICP logo. You can see that there is no logo right now, but when I choose the accent color, I can see the logo. Disable immersive mode messages. Disable quick settings on the lock screen. Now what this does, that it won't allow you to reach to quick setting panel when the device is locked. It makes your phone much secure. If uncheck this, it will allow you. Let me show you. When my device is locked, it won't allow me to reach there. But as I turn this off, and now you can see. So this is the difference. So let's make our phone much secure. The fourth one is a recent panel with clear all buttons. I can put this on the top left. You can see it's in the top left corner. I can change it to the bottom left. You can see now it is in the bottom left. Clear all tasks. It will clear my foreground task. You can see the memory bar shown. Memory bar is actually your RAM, random access memory. Recents in full screen. In the lock screen, do you want to show clock on your lock screen, date, alarm, charging current? It will show how much milliampere does your phone receive while charging. It will show you the estimate time of the full charge. You can change the color of the owner information, alarm, your clock, your date. You can change fonts also. You can put anything, whichever you like. I like this one. Lock screen blur. Do you want to blur up the background of your lock screen so that your clock can appear much bold? You can change the wallpaper of your lock screen, but this will require a restart. Double tap on the lock screen so that it may go to sleep. Power menu on lock screen. Do you want this? Yeah. And the lock screen torch. What it is, that when your phone is locked and it is and you want to turn on your torch, you just have to press power button, long press on your power button so that your flashlight will glow. Next one in the list is multi-shade. Multi-shade consists of floating windows, application circle bar, application sidebar, gesture anyway. So the floating window, when I enable this feature, floating window, so what it does, it actually allows me to make my application float anywhere on the screen. I can put this on the left, I can put this on the bottom, wherever I like. So it's a great feature that we are getting in this ROM, that is inbuilt. So next is application circle bar. When I on this, I can actually add as many applications I want, and from wherever I can access this. Another is the gesture anyway, pie control, slim recents. What is this slim recents? That when I can add slim recent size, actually it is a recent bar. Then it's halo is a type like a Facebook messenger, and it pops up a message whenever I get a message. this. So I have to on it from here, and you can see I have audio halo size. I can increase or decrease the size of the halo. It's a floating mode, pause, active, ping on, unclock, and many more features available with halo. And panel pawn, I can increase or decrease the transparency of the header over here, of the shade and colors. I can actually the volume dialog box transparency. I can increase or decrease the volume, stroke thickness, power menu tweaks, the transparency of the power menu, blur UI. I can blur status bar background, the translation notification, blurred status bar header, blurred recent apps background, various other shades like I can force close the notifications. I can launch music apps, screenshot sound, three fingers gestures. Now what it is this? Three fingers gestures is I just have to slide three fingers and a screenshot is taken. So that is awesome. A boot dialog. What is this? Whenever your phone boots up, you can customize it. You can customize with your name as what I. So type and test it out. It will look like this. You can change the stroke color, whatever you like to, white and it's to be blue, and test this out. It will look like this. Whatever you like, you can put. System application remover, you can remove the system application whichever you don't like. It is an inbuilt feature given. That is awesome. System UI to add away is something like ad blocker. It will prevent you from the ads that most of the application keeps popping up the ad, so it will prevent you from that. So another thing of this ROM is that it will allow you home screen rotation, which I think none of the ROM allows you with this feature. You can see I can see the home screen in the landscape mode. It actually allows me with this. So next thing I want to show is that the notification panel. I can edit the notification panel, so I can add here as many things I want. Lock screen LD, you can see my reboot, so I can customize it the way I want. I can done. Another thing I want to show you is in the settings in the nav bar. The nav bar, it's enable the navigation bar. If you want the navigation bar to look like is a like this, three buttons in fling gesture interface. What is this? It's fling settings. If I swipe this, it will take me to the recent panel. If I it will take me back. So you can customize this also. Show Flingo logo if you want. It will show. If you want custom logo icon, you need an icon pack. Custom logo image, you can set up your image. There is abundant feature available in this ROM. Close gestures, security, AICP ROM. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Download the ROM from the link in the description. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for such more videos.